Hey, did you know that you can win millions in government contracts without having to write complex proposals? If you're a small business owner looking to grow your revenue, then you should probably keep watching further. I'm going to share with you how you can win government contracts without having to write complex proposals. I know it sounds a little crazy because you're so used to hearing that you have to be a great proposal writer to win government contracts. And while that is important, I'm going to share 3 secrets that's going to revolutionize the way you pursue government contracting projects. So what are these secret methods? They're some of the quickest ways to winning government contracts. The first secret is a little known website rarely used by small businesses and almost never by large companies. The big idea here is that this simple reverse auction site will give you an easier way to start winning little contracts so you can be in the money sooner. This is important because as a small business owner, you don't have 36 months, which is the average time it takes to break into the government market. You need a faster way to get going, to get your revenue moving. This rarely used website has lots of micro purchase contracts where it doesn't require a lengthy proposal writing process. The second secret is you can start winning contracts by being a subcontractor on a bigger project. This is co-opetition, or often called teaming. The main thing to understand here is that large companies are required to subcontract on average 35% of their contracts to small businesses just like you. You avoid the complex proposal writing process by working with larger primes. This means that as a teaming partner, the larger company you're working with already has a proposal team in place. They do all the complicated proposal work, and then as a subcontractor, you just do the part that you specialize in. Now the third secret is using a no competition or direct award method to avoid competing with multiple offers. You can potentially make more profits using a no competition award because you're the only bidder on it. This is key because 80% of companies in the government market don't have access to this direct award method. It's only available to qualified small businesses. This will eliminate many possible competitors and allow you to get a better bottom line. Now I know what you're thinking. It's probably complicated to break into the government market. Yes, it is a little tricky thing out there, a little more complex in the government market than the commercial, but it doesn't have to be that way if you know how to use these 3 secrets to make it easier and quicker for you to land your first contract. And so I'm launching a course to share in more details how these 3 strategies can help you break into the government market and start winning contracts quickly. You might be thinking, who am I? Well, my name is Abraham Shong, and I'm the founder of the Government Contractors Association. A few years ago, I was a consultant in the government market. After seeing the challenges that small businesses were having, I thought something needs to be done. There's a huge disparity where large companies are winning 80% of all the opportunities and small businesses are getting left out. As such, I left my consulting partnership and became a small business advocate to help small businesses just like you. In doing so, I spent the last decade studying the best practices of what has been proven to work for large companies and other successful small businesses. After years of fine-tuning it, I then simplified it and packaged it into an easy-to-follow course so anyone can use it to help them get started in winning contracts fast. So this comprehensive government contracting course will help you to win contracts in the fastest way possible. So what will you get out of this course? Strategies for the quickest ways to winning contracts. It's a step-by-step course guiding you through the process. There's 11 plus hours of contracting videos, bids, sources sought, proposal samples, email marketing samples, capability statement samples, teaming agreement samples, a ticket to our one-day Gov Bootcamp, which is valued at $999, registration guide to become a government vendor, small business certification training, how to market your business to government buyers, proposal management techniques, plus lots and lots more. So go ahead and click on the link to enroll in this government contracting course now. I can't wait to see you on the inside of the course.